Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to about $1,000 per day and get up to speed running quick, selling ebooks, good quality ebooks on Amazon and a couple of other places, and it can be done mostly for free. So you're going to want to stick around and see this video, and I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see here, and if this is your first time to my videos or you've been here before, while we're thinking about it and talking about it, reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which you do fairly regularly here on this channel. Also, later on through the video, if you don't do it now, think about it later in the video, just hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Alright, well, with that out of the way, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can get started really quick in Amazon ebook publishing, and also you can do the same thing on eBay. And I've done similar videos in the past, but in this video today I'm going to show you how you can get started much quicker and easier, and for the most part for free, alright, on Amazon. Now what we're going to do is come right over here to Amazon.com. You see right up here in the address bar, you can see right up here in the address bar it says Kindle eBooks right there. Amazon.com, Kindle eBooks, Kindle-eBooks. We're at that site right here, and you can see that all kinds of people here upload ebooks and make quite a bit of money here. You can make up to eventually you should be able to make up to $1,000 per day. You can really make a killing, and I'm going to show you an example here in just a moment. So you see, for example, right here, this particular ebook right here, this person sold 11,678. Now, mind you, this is the amount of people that have responded back with a review of the ebook, and you see they've given it a star rating. So we know that 11,678 people have bought this ebook for $9.99 or $10, right? That in itself is quite a chunk of money. That's probably around a couple of $100,000. As you can see down through here, other people are making pretty good money selling their ebooks on Amazon here. And all it takes is one good one that you can sell here and make quite a bit of money here. You can see some of these other ones down through here, and there's some of the other ones here too as well, and plenty others as we go down through here. As you see, there's 1,000 sold for $5 or $4.99, 1,462 here for $4.99 as well, and so on and so forth. But the one I wanted to show you here that's a real good example that someone has sold. There's quite a few of them down through here, and there's no reason why you can't come over and publish an ebook yourself and have the chance to make several $100,000 like I'm going to show you with this one example right here. Let's take this one for an example right here. First, let me bring up my calculator to show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this particular one right here. It's Where the Crawdads Sing. You can see that 49,272 people bought this book at $14.99. So if we bring up the calculator and I type in 49,272 and we multiply that by 14.99 and hit equals, you can see right there, guys, that that's 3/4 of $1 billion or $1 million. That's 3/4 of $1 million. Well, 750,000 would be 3/4, but pretty close enough for our example here, right? That's just one ebook, guys. One ebook, $738,000. Imagine if you had 10 or 20 or 50 ebooks that you created up on Amazon. Your chances to make $1,000 a day would happen pretty quickly, and or several $100,000 in a year's time. But you can see there's quite a lot of people doing this. Now you can also do this on eBay. If we come over here to eBay, you see I've typed in ebooks up here in the search engine, and I chose over $4 ebooks, ebook digital delivery. And the nice thing about this, guys, is this is all downloadable. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about any kind of refunds. You don't have to worry about any kind of thing to do with shipping, because it's all downloadable, and you never run out of copies, right? Never will run out. So it's simply upload your ebook. It goes worldwide, which I'll show you here in a moment, and it's just amazing what you can do here. Now, how are we going to do this and get started quickly? All right, so what we did was I come over here to google.com, and you see I typed in the search engine up here, Kindle Direct Publishing, you see right there, and it brings up this link right here, this site right here. So if I click on that, it brings me over to this page right here. And you see we're at Kindle Direct Publishing, and that's up here in the address bar. You can see it's kdp.amazon.com. And I'm on the U.S. version right now. That's what English _ US means here. Doesn't matter. Should be the same in your country as well. This should be able to be done worldwide, which I'm about to show you here in just a second. See right here, it says self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free. So yes, you can, if you create an ebook, you can also make a paperback version of it too, which can be mailed directly to a person's home address, right? So that's two ways right there on Amazon that you can do this with ebooks. All right, so you guys want to stick around through this video here, because I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can do this. All right, here as we go on. So stick around and keep watching here. Now, if we come up here and we look at this, self-published ebook paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing, and reach millions of readers on Amazon. You see right here it says get to market fast. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes, and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. Down here is make more money. Earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the U.S., Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, and more. So you can see that that's pretty well available worldwide, right? Now, keep control. You keep control of your rights and set your own list prices. Make changes to your books at any time, and you can publish in digital and print, so you can publish ebooks and make a paperback out of it as well, and do it for free on Kindle Direct Publishing here. And you can get started today. Self-publish your with Kindle Direct Publishing for free, and then they got a link here that you can learn how easy it is to do this. Okay, so and you can see all the different categories that they have over here, genres that you can publish in. There's several here, about 10 of them. And if you don't have an Amazon account, which if you have an Amazon account, you can just simply sign in. And if you don't, you can create one right here at this button and get started with Kindle Direct Publishing and publish your ebooks on Amazon like you see here. How are you going to create your ebooks? Well, I've got 3 ways that you can do this. Now, if we come over to this site right here, it's called DesignRR. If you look up here in the address bar, it's designrr.io. Alrighty, it's create ebooks and lead magnets to reach more people. And if you look over here, you can, right from this website, you can publish directly to Amazon Kindle ebooks right here above my head. And it says transform your blog posts, podcasts, videos, and PDFs into ebooks, show notes, dynamic flipbooks, transcripts, PDFs, and web pages. So you can just upload any web page. If you find a blog post that you like, any blog post in the world, you can make an ebook out of that blog post and create a cover for it, and put your author on there, or yourself. If you make the ebook, put yourself as the author, or so on and so forth, and then directly upload it to Amazon Kindle. And you can also create your own on this site as well. It says here, creating fresh content is hard. Repurpose the content you already have and boost your traffic and leads by reaching new audiences. And you see here, you can transform a WordPress a Word document into an ebook, and you can transcribe even a YouTube video into a ebook. You can do all kinds of things, podcast to ebook, and you can transform a WordPress blog post into an ebook as well on this site. And who is this for? Content marketers, course creators, and ebook creators. write and publish ebooks using our built-in creator, or convert your web or Word content directly into a PDF Kindle format files. And for coaches, podcasters, it goes on, so on and so forth down through here. And you can do that right here on this website, and so on and so forth. But this website is not free. They do have pricing, as you see right up here. If I click on that, it comes over and it shows the pricing that they have here. They got like 4 plans you see here: $29 monthly, $39 monthly, $49, and $99. For the $29, their cheapest package, it's for 1 user, 100 project templates, 922 Google fonts. You can create unlimited ebooks, unlimited use of copyright images, page numbering and table contents, import from web, MS Word, and Google Docs, and import from any Facebook page as well. And you get a 7-day free trial. In fact, on each one of their packages here comes with a 7-day free trial, as you see here. All right, and then they have commonly asked questions about it, and so on and so forth. And here's a bonus for you on this site. As I was looking at this site earlier before making the video today, I noticed right down here, look down here at the bottom right here, it says affiliate program. So see, here's another way right here that you can even make more money with this website called Designer, and click on affiliate program and even make money offering this site to other people as well. So that's for their prices starting at $29. But I have another way that I'll show you here, which is an easy way to create ebooks. In fact, it may be even easier than this site, and for a whole lot cheaper. If you come over here to this, which I'll have a link for this, this is called Scribble ebook creator. It's an automatic creator, creates ebooks automatically with the press of 1 click of your mouse. And you can use any WordPress document, you can use any blog post, any kind of document you want, and make an ebook out of it, any website post you want, and make a beautiful, as you can see, ebook out of it right here. And by the way, I'll have the link for Scribble right down there in the top of my description if you want to check that out. But you can see as we scroll down here, it's throw away complicated, expensive publishing tools, because Scribble does it all. No need to spend weeks mastering all the different design and publishing tools like Adobe Photoshop to create an ebook, tools which cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars. With Scribble, everything you need is under one roof, and it's so simple even a 6-year-old can use it to create lead magnets and best-selling ebooks in seconds from now. And it's automatic content. You don't have to write nothing. You just simply right here pull content into your ebook from any URL, which is any website like your blog, or from our built-in content database, or a Word document at the push of one button or the click of your mouse, 1 click. And it scrolls on down. It'll even create automatic table of contents for you. And apologize for the noise in the background, guys. We're having a storm right now, and you can probably hear the rain hitting on my window. Okay? All right, so nevertheless, back to what we're doing here. Scribble automatically creates a fully themed and editable table of contents page, giving your readers an incredible user experience here, as you see here in the images, and you can reword, reformat, and reshuffle it however you want. And then it goes on to automatic headers and footers for your ebook, automatic page numbering for your ebook, and drag and drop technology to create those ebooks in designs however you want. And it's fully customizable with the push of a button here, it says, and unlimited pages, endless possibilities, and add design elements, and so on and so forth. It's just as easy as that to create a ebook that looks very, very nice. And if you look down here at the bottom, just to the left of me, let me drag myself out of the way here. If you look down here at the bottom, it says Get Scribble with a $40.20 coupon off using July of 2020. So you see there's a coupon there. It's originally $67. So for example, click on that. You can take a look at this. come over here, you can see that it's originally $67, actually I'm sorry, it's originally $197, but they've got it marked down to $67. But look what happens if I come down here to where the coupon is and I click in here and I type in July 2020 and then click apply. You can see that now the price becomes $26.80 for this incredible ebook creating tool called Scribble. And you can get Scribble at $26.80 this particular month right here, right now, and just make ebooks within minutes. Fully complete ebooks that have incredible, nice pictures and look just as nice as this. These are professional ebooks that you would want to put up on Amazon and or eBay, right? So you can either come here to Design RR. You can pay $29 each month to do everything that Scribble will do at a one-time payment of just $26.80. All right, now for those of you that just don't even are interested in doing it for free, don't want to spend any money at all, you can do that too. You can come over here to free PLR downloads. You guys have seen me use this site quite a bit in my videos. You can come here and download in any kind of niche that you want, from addiction all the way to YouTube down here and every niche in between. And you can just simply download one of these ebooks right here. Now what you would want to do here before you put it up on Amazon or eBay, you want to change the wording a little bit. You want to change the cover to put your name on there as the author. You can change the cover to make it look however you want. And you want to rewrite the words, some of the words in there, so it looks different than what you would find on a free site like this, so it looks more original in your creation. Alrighty guys, you can do that right here on free PLR downloads, and there's a lot of other free PLR sites like ID PLR, and there's a bunch of others that you can do a Google search for and find out. So guys, if you like this particular method that I've showed you today on how you can make a killing, a bunch of money off of Amazon Kindle ebooks, and you can also do it on eBay, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. And also, if you want to see my #1 recommended business, you want to reach down there in the top of the description also where it says mentorwithkev.com, and click on that and come over and check out what's available for you in my #1 recommended business. Yeah, right there. All right, I'll leave you guys with that. I'm going to let you guys go with that. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below about this video, and I'll get back with you. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.